inspectors, Mr. Madhukar and Mr. Subramanya, to have their seat on the dais.
ಹಲವು ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶವನ್ನು ಉತ್ತಮಪಡಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷವೂ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸುವಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಮಹಾಮಯಿ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕಳೆದ SSLC ಹಾಗೆ PUC ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅಂಕ ಪಡೆದು ಉನ್ನತ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತೀರ್ಣರಾದ 42 ಮಂದಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸುವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಡೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ನ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಣಾಧಿಕಾರಿ CEO ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ರಾಜನ್ ಪಡುಕೋಣೆಯವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಳೆದ 1 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ CEO ಆಗಿ ಅವರು ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಬಂದಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಖುಷಿಗೆ ತಂದಿದೆ. ಅವರನ್ನು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹಾರ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವೆಲ್ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಅವರ ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಉಪನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದಂಥ ಶೇಷಶಯನ ಕಾರಿಂಜಿ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಳೆದ 1 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾಗಿ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ SSLCಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಆ ಸಾಧನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಶೇಷಶಯನ ಅವರ ಪಾಲು ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ. ಅವರು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದದ್ದು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಂತೋಷ ತಂದಿದೆ. ಅವರನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರ ನೀಡುವವರು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರು ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರೀರಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ದೈಹಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಪರಿವೀಕ್ಷಣಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಮಧುಕರ್ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಪೈ ಅವರು ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರನ್ನು ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೂವಾರಿ ಮಹಾಮಾಯಿ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ನ ಸಂಚಾಲಕಿ ಉಷಾ ಪೈ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯ ಇದೆ. ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋ ಇದ್ರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ರಾಜ್ಯದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಟೆಲಿಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಹಲವು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರು ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮುಖ್ಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸಹ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಮಾತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಪೋಷಕರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಲಾನುಭವಿಗಳ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಪೋಷಕರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರನ್ನು ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಫಲಾನುಭವಿಗಳು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರನ್ನು ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರು ಈ ಬಾರಿ 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಸಂಗ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವ 120 ಮಂದಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸುವ ಸಂಘ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲ ಹಲವಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸುವಂತಹದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಉತ್ತೀರ್ಣರಾಗುವುದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಉನ್ನತ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತೀರ್ಣರಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Thank you, sir. It is because of the heartfelt support of Mr. Bairi, sir, we could have started the virtual classes. He has provided his institution for this very good purpose. So I would like to invite Mr. Bairi, sir, on behalf of the virtual classes. Now, as the Gita says, ಗೀತಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾತಿದೆ, ಮಾಫಲೇಶು ಕದಾಚನ, which says you never expect anything for whatever deeds you do. So the same thing has been followed by, I think, MIT, because it is doing a very good job of educating the people at a large. So the population which has been covered by, or the mob which has been covered by MIT, one cannot imagine. So it is doing a very good job of educating the people through various programs. So due to this program, every year thousands of students are being benefited, and they are excelling in their performance because of the virtual classes and other classes held by the Mahamaya Foundation. So I would like to call upon Mrs. Usha Pai to give a prologue of this great deed, and also continue with the felicitation program of scholars of 2017 and 18, and also recognition to all the institutions which are participating in the virtual program. So I would like to call upon Mrs. Usha Pai.
Good afternoon. ಇಷ್ಟು ವಾಯ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೇಳ್ತದೆ. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ವರುಣದೇವ ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. 42 ಜನ ಫೆಲಿಸಿಟೇಷನ್ಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಆರ್ಭಟ ಸಹ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಸಹ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ರು ಉಷಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದೆ, ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಇನ್ನು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೇ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಸಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್. You people are successful not by accident. It is success comes because of the hard work, the never say die attitude, persistence that I will not give up, I will try hard. I have failed this time, but this is not the best of me, I'll try one more time. And I am so happy, and words cannot express my feeling when I see the students sitting in front of me, the future of my country, who is so dedicated, hard working, and they have proven themselves in this tender young age. I don't remember whether I was so responsible when I was 15, 16, 17, but the students sitting in front of me are the epitome of hard work, dedication, and I salute you guys for your fantastic fantastic performance. So now I say, I did not prepare any speech today because it is not required to prepare any speech, because I have lived this life with you guys for the last 1 year. I have seen you doing well, I have seen you not performing well, I have seen you very desperate when we were not able to score, and I have seen you, and I have celebrated with you before even you could see the results. We have seen the results, because that much was the anxiety level of Mahamaya Foundation to see the result. So Madhukar ma'am will agree that I called him and said that result Aila Pade, and then he called me, Manoj is the rank number 3 in the state for class 10. So that is been the Chappal 30. So that has been the experience of this fantastic year. I never expected that our journey, which started with a small program in Government Girls School, Udupi, with the help of Bairi sir and Ashok Kamath sir at then BU, which was called as a school adoption scheme, where we taught the students of class 8 who are coming from Kannada medium to English medium. We supported them with a small program with the help of Manipal Foundation in 2012. In the last 6-7 years, from 55, we have grown to more than 7,000, and that number itself speaks for the amount of work which has been done with the help of Manipal Foundation. I still remember that when my daughter's school we used to go for a felicitation program, the MC will say something and they will stop. that means you have to clap. But it is not the case here. Instead of I will not be wasting much of time. Only a small point I would like to make here. Mahamaya Foundation gets the name on SKRRPM, that is Sri Karkala Rukma Ranganath Pai Memorial Mahamaya Foundation. It was instituted in 2014 March 26 by 5 people. Out of them, 4 of them are the children of Rukma Ranganath Pai, and the 5th one is me, who is the daughter-in-law of Sri Karkala Rukma Ranganath Pai Memorial Rukma Ranganath Pai. Why we started this program, I want to take 1 minute of your time to tell you. My mother-in-law and father-in-law come from a very humble background. They used to run a mess, but my mother-in-law had a very, very strong will. She said that I will not allow my children to become a hotelier or a mess agent. She never allowed her 5 children to enter the hotel. They had to go to the school. Even though they studied in government school, they had to study well, and she said that hotel is not the place you should be studying. And because of her strong will, 4 of her children are actually PhD holders now, and they are the trustees of the Mahamaya Foundation. With the same, we used to give some money every year from all the earning members of the family, used to contribute a small amount towards the students doing well, coming from the poor backgrounds, economic backgrounds. And we started this program with our own, we used to look at the people from our own community, and we started helping them. But in the meantime, I was associated with the company called as Edurite in 2009. And at that time, we started one program with Manipal Foundation, which was called a school adoption scheme, where we used to come from Edurite and teach in government school Udupi, but the students will get this program free. This program started in 2012, and I am proud to say that first batch student, Bhumika Shetty, is pursuing her engineering in MIT, and she has secured 8.8 CGPA in her recent examination, which was her sessional, 4th sessional. So with that we started the program, and in 2014 it became a virtual classroom. Virtual classroom was a program where we teach in one class and one school, and it will get telecasted in other 4 schools. We started with only 4 schools: Government Girls School Udupi, Hiriyadka, Brahmavara and Olakadu. And we never thought that the program will take off. I was the first one to say that idu fail agtadanta, because we were not sure that how will we control the students who are sitting in the other side of the city or other side of the district. Because when the teacher is inside the classroom, it is easy to control the class. But when the teacher is inside the classroom, somewhere 100, 200, 300 kilometers away, it is not an easy job to control the students. But we are proud to say that all the headmasters and headmistresses of the schools cooperated so well, and we could make the program success in 2014. And I can say that success has continued till now, and we are hoping that it will continue in the next coming years also. Presently we have 4 clusters, 4 schools, which are actually now with 32 receiving schools, which is going to become more in the coming year, this year alone. All this would have not been possible without the support of Manipal Foundation. Mahamaya Foundation is only the catalyst. Chemistry students understand the meaning of catalyst? We are only the catalyst, but the actual core and heart of this program is Manipal Foundation, who is funding all the programs for us. And I am so happy that the first year as a CEO of Manipal Foundation, Rajan sir has been extremely lucky for us, because we have surpassed all our previous performances of 3 years, and the best performance till date has come in this year. So thank you Rajan sir for all the support, and I will not talk anymore, because now it is the time when we are going to do the felicitation. So I will call upon the gold medalist first. Our gold medals are very, very small, but the gold is the most precious metal. Allah, platinum. But we can afford only gold. So we are going to felicitate the gold medal winners first. As we call upon the name, we request the students to come up the stage, and I can see the parents so excited to see their children getting the gold medal. So I would like Rajan sir, Sheshi Shaina sir to do the honors to the students. There are totally 6 gold winners. 6. Everybody thought that is going to be only 1. But when you get a rank number 3, rank number 8 and rank number 9 and rank number 10, everybody, all 42 of you are actually eligible for gold medal. But surely when we grow very, very big, this performance will be remembered and we will send you a gold medal then. Okay, but we will keep you in the list now. So now I would like to call upon the out of 6 students, only 4 could make up today. 2 of them are not coming because they have gone for CET verification. Unfortunately, it is there today only for them. So now I would like to call the first, the golden boy of the day. Can anybody tell me? Who is? So Manoj M. Malya of class 10, he has secured rank number 3 in the state with 623 out of 625. The second golden girl of the day, she already knows that the golden girl anteli yaru anteli. Shraddha, she has secured 588 out of 600 and rank number 9 in the state. In the order of priority, the rank number 3, that is the third gold medalist, is Yashodhara Shastri. His parent is here, my most favorite student of the scholar program. Now I will tell, because if I told you before I would have been in trouble. Yashodhara could not make it today. His parent is here. We will be giving you the awards later, sir. So Yashodhara Shastri could not make it today. Now, next there is one boy called as Chinmay. Again, he could not make it today because of the program in the school. Now, any more guesses for the gold medal? I said totally 6. 2 have come. 2 more to. So the next, I will not keep you guessing. The next golden boy of the program is Nachiket, 617 out of 625 in class 10. He is the topper in government school section. And there is one more gold medal. Any guesses? The students should be knowing who must be the golden, who is that gold? 620 out of 625. Come, you are the only one. So, Ranjita Pai. Ranjita Pai from Indrali English Medium School. That girl did not know that she is going to get the gold medal. So I just told her you have a surprise. So I hope you had a good time. Okay, now I request Dr. Rajan sir to hand over the gold medals, Sheshi Shaina sir to hand over the certificates, Dr. Sridhar Pai to give the cash prizes. Thank you. extremely sorry. Chinmay of Pedu School has also come. He is also a gold medal winner. This is the sad part because I have not seen him face to face. He is a receiving school student from Pedu.
सांगते सर एक मिनिट म्हाका काय बुद्ध सडन ना फोन सोड ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು
let me make one more point. They have not only won gold medal, but Shraddha and Manoj have won the cash prize of 10,000 rupees. Shravan, next. Shravan. Okay. Let us continue with the award function. We have to do it very, very quickly because it may rain very heavily. So please bear with us. As I call your name, please come on the stage and collect your prizes from the dignitaries on the days. So, first, can I call upon Yashodhara Shastri's parent to come and collect his prize? Yashodhara Shastri, our state rank number 10, his parent is coming to collect the prize. Yashodhara Shastri. ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಟುಬಿಡಿ ಕೈಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟುಬಿಡಿ ಹೌದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೆಡಲ್ ಅಮ್ಮ Let me make out one more point. Shraddha has secured 99 in physics, 100 in chemistry, 100 in maths and 100 in computer science and total of 588. Yashodhara Shastri has secured 96 in physics, 98 in chemistry, 99 in maths, 100 in computer science and 587 is the total. Shravan, our third position holder, is not here with us. He has secured 100 in physics, 100 in chemistry, 94 in maths, 100 in biology and 585 altogether. He also has won a cash prize of 10,000 rupees. We will send across the prize money to him. Now, the next toppers, please come and collect your prizes from our CEO Rajan sir and Sheshashayana sir. As I call upon, please come quickly. Achyuta Sandesh Chatra, Physics 91, Chemistry 97, Maths 100, Bio 96, 568, 94.67% in class 12. Mahesh GN, he has secured 93.67%, but he could not be with us today. He has joined BSc in Ujre. Manasa Jnanaganga, she has secured 93.3%. I would like to bring it to your notice, sir. This girl has benefited from our program from class 8. She was a student of 8, 9, 10 as well as 11th and 12th. A medical aspirant, we are sure that she is going to be a doctor in future. Spandana, is Spandana here? Both Spandana and Manasa are the students of Government Girls School only. They studied in this school. So girls school in Audigar Jor Chappal Audibeko. Spandana has secured 93% in class 12, and one more thing, she has secured an engineering seat in IT department of MIT with a 90% scholarship. Only 39,000 rupees is the fees. So Spandana, she was our class 10 topper also. We congratulate you. Meghana, she has secured 92.83% in class 12. She has joined BSc. In all our toppers don't want to become doctors and engineers. Most of them want to go for pure sciences also. Next, Praveen Nayak. He could not be with us today. His parents will collect his prizes later. Sachin R. Shettigar. He has secured 92.17% in class 12. Sachin. Next, my sweetheart. Anybody? Guesses? Scholar program. Gayatri. Gayatri, 92.17%. She has joined radiology in Allied Health Sciences in Manipal University. Sahana S, 92.17% in class 12. Vaibhav, the shy boy, but he is actually very, very smart. Yes, this is Sahana S. 4 of our students have secured the same percentage, 92.17, and these are the 4 guys. Pratiksha Ji Kamath, the first girl who got a scolding from me during the first day of scholar program for not attending on time. She made me wrong, proved herself by securing a 90% plus. So congratulations, Pratiksha. Ramita Hiriyadka. The students from Government College Hiriyadka travel a lot to reach our scholar program, and we are happy and proud to say that distance cannot dampen your spirit, and they are the actual people who work hard and score well. Dhruti R. Rao. Dhruti has secured 90.50% in her class 12. Next. Adarsh. Next, Adarsh. Adarsh has secured 90.33% in his class 12. Next, we have 2 special students who come all the way from Navodaya during vacation batches and have performed extremely well in their class 12 CBSE exam. They are Sri Rashmi. She has secured 91.80% in class 12 CBSE exam. I can say that 91% in CBSE exam is much more than 95% in state syllabus examination. A future BSc agriculturist. Dipali, one of my most favorite students of Navodaya, and I'm so happy to say that girls can achieve whatever they want because she is going to go for aerospace engineering in SVRM's University, Chennai. Now we have the class 10 toppers. I know all of you must be really tired, but they have performed well and they want the prizes from you, sir, so please bear with us. One more student, Nandini S. Nandini S has secured 95.5%. Sorry, we missed your name. Please come on stage, Nandini. All the students who have secured above 90% have received the cash prize of 2,500. Whoever has scored 100 have got additional 2,500, and who have got the rank have got a gold medal. Okay. Vijeta R. Yes. Vijeta has secured 91.50 in class 12. Yes, we have now class 10 toppers. We have already felicitated Manoj Malya and Ranjita Pai. Now we have Nagaraj Pandit. Nagaraj Pandit has secured 616 in class 10. Next, Akshata Nayak. Her mother will come and collect the trophy. Akshata. Totally 21 students of class 10 have secured more than 600. Aniruddha M. Kamath. Praveen. Aniruddha. Akshata. Sorry, there are so many prize winners. We have arranged it. Maybe I am the one who is messing it up for the backstage people. Akshata Nayak. Parent. Aniruddha Kamath. Next we have Ganesh Pai and Sumit. Ganesh Pai and Sumit. Yes, Aniruddha Kamath has secured 608 in class 10 out of 625. Sumit SN has secured 604. These are all from the Indrali College School. Pradyumna. Aniruddha Kamath has taken. Yes, Ganesh Pai. Next Sumit SN. Next Pradyumna. I request all the prize winners to hold on to your prizes because we need a beautiful group photo with you. Yes, Ganesh Pai. Next, Sumit. Okay, Pradyumna Nakshatri. Pradyumna S. Nakshatri. ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಯಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಎಸ್. ಪ್ರದ್ಯುಮ್ನ. ಶಾಲ್. ನಚಿಕೇತ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಜಾಗೃತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. Yes, Nachiketa has been already felicitated. Jagrati. Next, Jagrati. Sinchana. Is she around? Sinchana. Okay, this is a special prize now. Vasudha Kamath is going to come next after Jagrati. She is Jagrati. Sinchana barnilla. Yes, Jagrati did not get 600 in the first round, but after revaluation she has crossed 600, and I got a message from Nirmala madam, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚೆಕ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ above 600 ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. So we are happy to give away this prize. Vasudha Kamath, 601 out of 625. Okay. Rakshita. Now the best school of the ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಇದು ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ಗಳು ಈಗ ಬೆತ್ತ ಹಿಡಿದುಕೊಂಡು ನಿಲ್ತಾರೆ. ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಸೀವಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವ ದ ಪೆರ್ವಾಜೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ದ 4 students have secured above 600 for the first time in the history of Pervaje. So many students getting above 600. So may I call upon Rakshita 609. Nandita Jain 609. Lavanya next. Lavanya, this is Nandita. Lavanya. Pratiksha. This is Lavanya. Lavanya has secured 602. Pratiksha has secured 600. Chinmaya already has been felicitated. Syed Muhammad Masood is not present here. Now one special prize Mahamaya Foundation is giving away to the most deserving student of the virtual class. He is not the one who has secured above 600. But if you listen to his story, you will understand that why he deserves the prize. He doesn't have electricity in his house, but still he is the sole distinction holder of class 10 in Valakadu School. We are proud to present to you Parashuram, who wins a cash prize of 10,000 rupees from Mahamaya Foundation as a special recognition, and we are sure that he is going to do well in his life. Yes. Now, finally, Purvi Shetty of this school, you might be thinking that ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಇನ್ನೂ ಯಾಕೆ ಕರೀಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. So, last but not the least, this school's topper and our most sincere student of this program, Purvi Shetty, she has secured 608. She has taken commerce, not science, after class 10. So, we are done, sir. Now, can I request, sir, you can take your seats. Can I request first class 10 toppers to come on the stage for a group photo, then class 12 toppers for a group photo. Class 10 toppers first. All of you, Manoj. Yes, 1 second please. There has been one name which has been left out. These are the additional 600. Yes, Chaitanya. Yes, when we did the list first, she was not, had not come. So Chaitanya. Bindu. Chaitanya is also from Government Girls School, Udupi. Yes, one more student I left out, sorry, Bindu. Bindu from class 12 has secured 93%. So can we have a group photograph, please? I would like to place on records, we have today distributed rupees 1,57,500 as a cash prize, which is double the amount what we gave last year. We are happy to give double the amount next year, provided the students of the present virtual program and scholar program can come and score the marks. Can I have all the students on the dais please for a group photo? Please, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಒಂದಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬನ್ನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 10 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್. Yes, all class 10 toppers. Parents can stay back, only the students. ನಚಿಕೇತ್, ಪರಶುರಾಮ್ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಈಗ 11th ಆದ್ರೂ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 10th ಬನ್ನಿ. Yes, please come back. Manoj, all of you quickly please. I told you are the smartest. Come first. Yes, come first. All the class 10 toppers. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ 10th ಮಾರ್ಕ್ 22 ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೆಳಗೆ ನಿಲ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Please stand. Can I have class 12 toppers? Please come quickly. Right, next. Okay. Class 12 toppers, please. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ ಗಂಗಾಧರ್ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ. I know we are exceeded the time. 42 prize winners. We have a special personality with amongst us, ಶೇಷಶಯನ ಸರ್. ಉಡುಪಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ DDPI ಆಗಿ ಬಂದ ನಂತರ ನಮಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಆನೆ ಬಲ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಸ್ಮರಣೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಹಾಮಾಯ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಶೇಷಶಯನ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಇದೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಖಂಡಿತ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ರಾಜನ್ ಸರ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡು ದ ಆನರ್ಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಶೇಷಶಯನ ಸರ್. ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ನಮ್ಮೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಸಹಕರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಇನ್ನೂ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಮುಗಿಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗಳು ಸಹ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗಿರುವ 32 ಶಾಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಹ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಡ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ದವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮರಣಿಕೆ ಕೊಡುವ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮೊದಲನೆಯದಾಗಿ ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್ ಬೈರಿ ಸರ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಉಡುಪಿಯ ರಾಜನ್ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಸ್ಮರಣಿಕೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ನಿರ್ಮಲಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಚಪ್ಪಲಿ ಒಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಿರ್ಮಲಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸ್ಮರಣಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನಿರ್ಮಲಾ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಒಟ್ಟು 4 ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋ ಒಳಕಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ, 2 ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ 5ನೇ ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋ ಬರುವ ಶಾಲೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಶಾಲೆ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಹರ್ಷಿಣಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದರ್ವಾಜ ಸುಂದರ್ ಪುರಾಣಿಕ್ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ದ ಲೇಡಿ ವಿತ್ ದ ಐರನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು. ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವ ಹರ್ಷಿಣಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅವರ ಸ್ಮರಣಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ತಲುಪಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲವು ಟೀಚರ್ಗಳು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಪೆರಡೂರ್ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ತಲುಪಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚಿಂಗಿನ ಮಹಾಮಾಯ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ನ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಸರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಹ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮರಣಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಇವರ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಪಾಠ ಕಲಿಯುವುದೇ ಒಂದು ರೋಮಾಂಚನ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಗಾಧರ್ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಸಹ ಸ್ಮರಣಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಉಳಿದ ವರುಣ್ ಸರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾನಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಮರಣಿಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಗಂಗಾಧರ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
So you have witnessed a very good prize distribution function. So I would like to call Master Manoj to give your feedback. Manoj.
Good afternoon, everybody. First of all, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Mahamaya Foundation for honoring me today. I would also like to place on record that Mahamaya Foundation played a significant role in my success. Special thanks to Usha Madam, Pallavi Ma'am, Varun Sir, Gangadhar Sir and all other teachers. They taught us really awesome. Finally, I would also like to give an advice for the present 10th standard batch as well as upcoming 10th standard batches. I would also like to say just an English idiom, burn both the sides of a candle, which means do more work and strive hard beyond your capacity. All the best. That's it. Thank you.
I would like to place on record that one very young lady is actually very, very excited to see her grandson winning the prize, and I would like to call upon Madam on the stage Manoj Malya's grandmother is here. So please come on the stage, because grandparents are the one who celebrate the grandchildren's success most. Maya Yoka, ek photo, Yoka. And Manoj Malya's parents are also on the stage. I would like to place on record, his elder brother was also a topper. At that time he was a student of Indrali School, and sir, it was a program given by Manipal Foundation only at that time. He was also a topper, so being the topper runs in the family.
Yeah, better, no, stage. Yeah. Malmam stage.
Thank you, Manoj. Next, Nachiket.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, teachers, and my dear friends. It is a privilege to address you all on this occasion. I thank each one of you for this opportunity. Education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world. These are the words of Nelson Mandela. No doubt, education is a powerful weapon. However, not all have equal access to use it, basically quality of education. Though our government has implemented a lot of schemes and measures, but without the active participation of citizens, it will not be successful. It is here we have the role of Manipal Foundation and Mahamaya Foundation. I am happy to note that Mahamaya Foundation and Manipal Foundation has taken up cause of providing quality fundamental education to the needy ones and striving hard. I consider myself lucky for many reasons. First, my parents chose me to educate in a Kannada medium government school. They had to face a lot of criticism from friends and relatives. But it worked very well for me. Then the school they chose was not a school in ordinary sense. It was a natural home filled with love, care and opportunities. That is my Olakadu High School. I got to learn in smart class in that school. It is another best thing to happen in my life. You all know that how much the tuition costs today. Some of us may argue that tuition is not required, but some of us may feel that it is required but could not afford. Mahamaya Foundation, through its smart classes, empowered us with the best learning. They did not force to rote learning but encouraged for active learning. I thank Usha Pai Madam, Varun Sir, Gangadhar Sir and all the teachers who imparted us with the best of learning. Without you, reaching or aspiring to reach high in life would not be possible for many of us. You are transforming lives, madam. You are impacting our thoughts. Looking at all of you, I am aspiring to be a teacher. Yes, that is the idea of my future. ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಗೆಳೆಯರೇ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತು ಮಾತನಾಡುವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತು ಮಾತನಾಡುವಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿದಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಚಿತ್ರಗಳು ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಡುತ್ತವೆ. ಹೆತ್ತವರು, ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಡೆಸಿದ ಗುರುಗಳು, ಸ್ನೇಹದ ಸವಿಯಣಿಸಿ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಉತ್ತೇಜಿಸಿದ ಗೆಳೆಯರು, ಸದಾ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿ ಬೆನ್ನು ತಟ್ಟಿದ ಉಷಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ರಂತಹ ಹಿತೈಷಿಗಳು, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಮನದಾಳದ ನಮನಗಳು.
ನಾನು PUCಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಉಷಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನುವುದು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಕಾರಣ. ನಮ್ಮ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಮಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅವರು ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಆ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಸದ್ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಉತ್ತಮ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ತಂದುಕೊಡುವುದೇ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುವ ನಿಜವಾದ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆ. ನಿದ್ದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣುವುದು ಕನಸಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದು ನಿದ್ದೆಗೆಡಿಸುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೋ ಅದೇ ನಿಜವಾದ ಕನಸು. ಇದು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ APJ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಕಲಾಂ ಅವರ ಮಾತು. ಅಂತಹ ಕನಸನ್ನು ಕಂಡು ನನಸಾಗಿಸಲು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸೋಣ. ಅಂತಃಕರಣದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ತೋರುತ್ತಿರುವ ಉಷಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಬಳಗಕ್ಕೆ, ನಿರ್ಮಲಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಒಳಕಾಡಿನ ಕುಟುಂಬಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಂದಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ನಚಿಕೇತ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸುವುದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ನನಗಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜೋರು. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಮೊದಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಮಾತನಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅವನು ಮಾತನಾಡುವುದನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುವಂತ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲೂ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಜಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ನಚಿಕೇತ. SSLCಯಲ್ಲಿ 617 ಅಂಕ ಬಂದಿದೆ. PUCಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾ ಏನ್ ಹೆದರಬೇಡ, ನಿನ್ನ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇವನೇ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡುದು. 588ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಮುಂದೆ BSc MSc ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ ಆಸೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇವನ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸಂತೋಷ ಪಡುವ ಈ ಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಅವರ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಹ ನಾ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಖಂಡಿತ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇಂತಹ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಆ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಪೋಷಕರಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಖಂಡಿತ ಸಂತೋಷ ಪಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೂವಿನೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ದಾರ ಸ್ವರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇವರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಇವರ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಬರಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಒಳಕಾಡು ಕ್ಲಸ್ಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಶುರು ಮಾಡುವಾಗ MC ಆಗಿದ್ದ ನಚಿಕೇತ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್, ಮಾತನಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ನಾವೇ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಡ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ರು ನಾನು ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ 30 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತೀರಿ? ನಮ್ಮ ಟಾಪರ್ಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟು 42 ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರಾದ್ರೂ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಅಮ್ಮ ದುಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬನ್ನಿ ಬೇಗ ಬನ್ನಿ. 1 ನಿಮಿಷ. ಎಸ್, ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾ ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ.
ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ. ನಾನು ಕೋಟಾ VJCಯಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಿರೋದು. ನಂಗೊಬ್ರು ಸರ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೆ. ನಾನು ಬರುವಾಗ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಅ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ. ತುಂಬಾ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್, ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಆಸಮ್. ನಾನು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗಿಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ. ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಿದ್ರು, ತುಂಬಾ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೇಟ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ. ದೆನ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಒನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್.
ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್, ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಇಡುವುದಲ್ಲಿ ಎತ್ತಿದ ಕೈ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವೀಪರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವರ ಟೀಮ್ ಆ ರೂಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬಾ ಜನರ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಹ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಈಸ್ ವರ್ಷಿಪ್, ಯಾವ ಕೆಲಸ ಆದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ. ಇಂತಹ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾ ಟಾಪರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಏನೋ ವಿಶೇಷ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. 588 ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, 98% ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಂತ ಆಸೆ. ಯಶೋಧರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ನೀನು ಕರಿತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯಶೋಧರ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀನ್ ಖಂಡಿತ ಬಂದು 1-2 ಮಾತನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. PUC ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ 1 ಮಾತನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank all the teachers and especially Usha ma'am for her flawless support. And this class helped me in overcoming many difficulties in studies. And And the book materials were so helpful, and the way of teaching was really good, and I want to thank you all for your kind support and Mahamaya Foundation for their selfless service, and all the best for all the 10 students, and do well. Thank you.
Thank you, Manoj, Nachiket, Gayatri and Shraddha. Thank you all for your gracious words, and we are going ahead with the inspirational words by the CEO of Manipal Foundation, Mr. Rajen Padukone.
Good evening. Can you hear me? Yeah. Can you hear me? Good evening. Principal Jagdish, Headmaster Vishwanath Berry, Mr. Sridhar Pai and Srimati Usha Pai, headmasters, principals, teachers, parents, and my dear students. Let me at the outset congratulate each and every one of you for having appeared for your examinations and done well, and particularly those who have stood out and done outstanding work and made us all very proud today with your performance. I really, on behalf of Manipal Foundation and the Manipal Group, and of course Mahamaya Foundation, congratulate each and every one of you and wish you all the very best in your future. I would also like to thank the parents for providing that support to the children, the encouragement that they gave to them, and being there when they worked so hard to provide this outstanding performance. Thank you very much. And of course to the teachers who were there to guide the children, give provide the lessons and give them that encouragement to do well. But above all, I think it is the principals and the headmasters who provided the support to all of us, especially to Manipal Foundation and to Mahamaya Foundation, for looking at this whole initiative of virtual classrooms as having provided value, added value to the children of our schools, and certainly giving us that encouragement to ensure that we can not only provide it to the schools in and around Udupi, but go beyond it. So as Usha had mentioned earlier, we have around 30 plus schools that we have connected with, but we hope in the near future to extend that to many more schools, and with Srimati Usha's and Sridhar's help, we hope that we'll be able to reach out to more and more children. So let me thank Usha and her entire team for the wonderful work that she's done over these few years, and helped in making us all very proud of the children from all our schools that we are connected with. Let me say a few words in terms of maybe some advice to the children. Typically what happens is people will tell you that you have to work hard, you have to try your best, do very well in life. At the same time, you students, as you progress in life, have your own role models. It could be a sports person, it could be a Bollywood star, it could be a fashion designer, it could be a teacher, it could be anyone you look up to and you want to emulate what that person is doing. But what I would like to advise you today is one basic thing that is in your own control. and that is to be a good human being. That is in your hands. And what do I mean by this? There are actually three simple things. One is to be honest, to have integrity, and do what you think is right. You know, I have seen a lot of children getting influenced by what they see, and some of it is not very honest, does not have integrity, and it's not right. But I think every person, every human being, innately, within himself or herself, knows what is right and what is wrong. And I think you, being a future of this country, should do what you think is right, should always be honest, and always remember that integrity is uppermost in terms of the values that you should cherish. The second thing that I would like to advise you is that you should be kind and courteous. Show respect for everyone, young and old. It does not matter what they think, what they feel, where they come from, because everyone needs to be treated with respect. Everyone needs to be treated with kindness and with courtesy. Never forget that. It's very difficult, actually, to do it. I've seen that with myself. And let me give you a simple example. You know, in Bangalore, everyone talks about how bad the traffic is. No one follows any rules. Okay, everyone goes from left to right and right to left and doesn't keep to the lane, cuts red lights. And when I drive, I get really very upset. I normally don't, but when I drive, I get really upset, and I keep cursing everyone, even though my windows are rolled up. No one hears me, but I still curse. It's still not right. I know it. So there are instances in life where you get very upset with people. You may get angry, you may get argumentative, but always remember that you can control your anger, you can control your feelings, but never forget to be courteous. You can be firm, but you can be courteous, and you can be kind. And always smile. And the last thing that I'd like to advise you is to be useful. To try and be useful. And what I mean by usefulness is have a dream. Think of trying to achieve that dream. And do something which you know can be helpful and useful to society. So you can be a doctor, you can be an engineer, you can be a teacher, you can be a fashion designer, you can be a carpenter, you can be a mechanic. These are all useful activities. It does not matter what you do. And as Usha said earlier, work is worship. And if you work hard, if you have a dream, and if you achieve it, I think this can provide tremendous progress to our country. So, let me conclude by saying that, one, you should be honest, you should be courteous and kind, and you should be useful. And if you are that, you will have done tremendously in life. You would have been, or you will be, a very good human being. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspirational words. There's a small question. Can anybody repeat the values given by Mr. Rajan, sir? Can anybody repeat the 3 values given by Rajan, sir? Please. It's a need of the day. Whoever comes on the stage and repeat the 3 values of Rajan, sir, will get a prize. Immediate prize.
Immediate prize.
Can anybody repeat the 3 values? Because it is a need of the day. Whenever we talk about values, now values ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗ usually the 10th standard students, usually we see them philosophy ಜಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, This is the dialogue which we see. I think the teachers are familiar with these words.
Yes, who would like to repeat the 3 values? Quickly. I know that you know it.
Just come over the dais and repeat the 3 values given by Rajan sir. Just now.
100 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಕೇಳಿದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನೀವು. ಅದನ್ನ ಈಗ ಹೇಳದಿದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. So anybody can come and repeat the 3 values. Yes, Nachiket is coming. So anyone else want to give a competition to Nachiket?
Honesty, courtesy and kindness and usefulness.
Yes, that is right. Good job, Nachiket.
To Mr. Subramanya and Mr. Madhukar, subject inspectors, and our special gratitude to headmasters and headmistresses and teachers of virtual class learning program. We thank members of media, parents, students, staff members for your cooperation in making this function a success. We thank Gangadhar sir for wonderful master of ceremony, seeking your support in future, sir. Thank you one and all.
Thank you. The program is done, but we request all the prize winners to stay back, and all the teachers of Mahamaya Foundation to stay back, and all the students can make a move towards your respective classroom. Thank you.